The Dreamride Car Bed was developed for preemies and newborns who need to travel lying down. It should only be used if prescribed by a licensed physician. Start by threading the left latch belt through the left belt loop. Repeat on the other side. Make sure the latch belt lies flat and is not twisted. Place the car bed side-facing in the back seat so that the child's head will be towards the center of the vehicle seat. The latch belt loops must be on the side of the car bed that is against the vehicle seat back. Hook the latch to the vehicle latch anchor located in the crease of the vehicle seat. Repeat on the other side of the car bed with the other latch. The handle must be upright and locked when installed in the vehicle. Lay your forearm across the car bed while pulling on the free end of the latch belt to tighten. Repeat on the other side. Check belt tightness by holding the car bed at the belt path with your non-dominant hand. If it moves more than 1 inch, try reinstalling the car bed. You can also try another seating location or try installing using the vehicle belt.